Good evening, I'm Mr. Oliver, and welcome to AP Statistics. I wanted to welcome you to my virtual classroom. Hope everything is going well with you as we navigate this virtual world. I wanted to take the opportunity to talk to you a little bit about AP Statistics and what you can expect with your students. Um, the big thing is we are aiming to get ready for our AP Statistics test, which is going to be on Thursday, May 13th at noon. According to College Board, we're going back to the old test where it's going to be a 90 minutes of multiple choice 40 questions and 90 minutes free response questions, and there's 6 of those. So the goal is we need to get through this material by the end of third quarter. That being said, we're going to be doing this in Schoology, and your students should have shown you Schoology by now. If not, please take a chance to navigate through here. The way class is typically going to be provided is the students are going to show up. We're going to go ahead and check and make sure everything's still going okay with them. We're going to do like a social emotional check-in. Then I'm going to do a quick review with them of things we covered in the previous class period. I encourage you to encourage your students to reach out to me with any misunderstandings, misconceptions, anywhere where they're uncomfortable so that I can drive that discussion at the beginning of class. After that, everything in Schoology is broken out, if you kind of navigate through here, in unit folders. There are 9 units in the College Board curriculum, and each one of those units will have a folder. Within each folder are daily lessons. And inside each of those daily lessons is what we're going to do for the day. I send out a weekly agenda on Sunday that discusses what we'll be covering in the 2 classes during the week, anything that's due coming up, as well as any quizzes or tests that are on the horizon. Please encourage your students to check regularly to make sure that they're meeting all of their assignments. The big thing I want to focus on is due dates. In this class, I've decided to make all assignments due at 5 p.m. on Monday. Monday is our asynchronous day, so that gives the students plenty of time after their last class. So that they have class Tuesday, Thursday, it gives them Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday to complete work. If they do class Wednesday and Friday, they still have Saturday, Sunday, Monday to complete work. So I ask them to submit all of their assignments to me by Monday at 5 p.m. Next, the class is going to be a mixture of me leading discussion as well as them working in breakout rooms, developing their own discussion. The thought I have in this class is I subscribe to the model of experience first, formalize later. So what that means is the students will do an activity where they'll gather data and try to figure out what that data means. After we gather the data, we'll begin a discussion where I'll formalize things. I'll give them the definitions and let them understand where things need to be. So what I want you to be aware is at the end of a lesson, I will always conclude the same way. The last 5 minutes are left for a personal reflection. I want the students to tell me some things they understood in the class or give me some ideas of things where they are struggling. So every class will end with that in Schoology reflection. Additionally, I'll assign some practice outside of class. The practice outside of class will typically be no more than 10 to 15 minutes and will allow them to practice the skill they learned in a daily class. Additionally, I will be utilizing College Board's AP Classroom as practice, as it has a good collection of multiple choice questions and free response questions. Encourage your students to watch the daily videos produced by College Board, as they will assist quite a bit. I really am looking forward to attacking this class. It's one of the favorites I've ever taught. I'm willing to answer questions, so please feel free to email me if you have any questions. And I look forward to navigating this challenging new world of virtual learning. And I know it's going to be great. We got this.